Hello beautiful people, in this video I'll be sharing with you how to make this very simple turmeric face toner that will help to brighten and cleanse your skin. So if that's something you're interested in, let's get started. The first ingredient you're going to be needing to make this face toner is distilled water. You can also use rose water or you can use any hydrosol of your choice. And next, of course, we're going to be needing turmeric powder. Since this is a turmeric face toner, I'm going to be using turmeric powder. Turmeric powder has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory property. It also has brightening property, so it's going to help brighten and also cleanse the face. I have a tea bag here and we're going to be using this tea bag to infuse the turmeric powder in the distilled water. So I'm going to start by putting some of the turmeric powder into the tea bag. If you don't have a tea bag, don't worry, I'll let you know how else you can make this without a tea bag. So after putting the turmeric powder in the tea bag, I have sealed the tea bag and here is what it looks like. And now we are going to infuse this in our water. So right now I'm going to drop the tea bag that contains the turmeric powder into the distilled water. If you don't have a tea bag, then you can put the turmeric powder directly into the water. Now once the tea bag is in the water, or once you add the turmeric powder into the water, we are going to use the double boiling method to infuse this. So we're going to put this in a pot of boiling water. If you're finding this video helpful, please make sure you like, comment and also subscribe for more. Right now I'm dropping the bowl into the pot of boiling water. Now I'm going to stir it continuously. The list of all the ingredients that will be used in this video and their accurate measurements will be at the end of this video, so make sure you watch till the end. After a while, you'll notice that your water will begin to have a yellow color, and that's because of the turmeric powder. Once your water starts having that yellow color, then you know that you are almost done. As you can see, it is very colorful right now. This process should take about 10 to 15 minutes. Once you're sure that it is ready, it's time to take this off the heat. So I'm going to take it off the heat and then we're going to continue with making our face toner. Now here is what our water is looking like right now. As you can see, it looks really beautiful. Now we're going to take the tea bag out of our water before we begin adding other ingredients. Now, if you don't have a tea bag and you are adding the turmeric powder directly into the water, then at this point you would need to sieve it so that you can get rid of the chaff of the turmeric powder. You don't want that in your face toner. Now it's time to start adding in our other ingredients. First, I'm adding in aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is very moisturizing. Aloe vera gel will help to moisturize, soften and smoothen the skin. Now you can add your aloe vera gel directly into your face toner just like this, or there's another way that you can add it to avoid having chunks of aloe vera gel. Now I added a bit of the turmeric water into the aloe vera gel and then I'm going to mix it up very well to ensure that there are no clumps at all. Once you're sure that it is well mixed and there are no chunks of aloe vera gel anymore, then you're going to add it into the large batch of the face toner. Now we're going to give this a very good mix properly so that everything is well combined. Now I'm going to be adding in vegetable glycerin, which will help to draw and lock moisture into the face. And next I'm also going to be adding in my Jamal Plus preservative that will help our toner to last longer. So now we're going to give this a very good mix to make sure that everything is well combined and well incorporated. And right now I have packed my toner into my bottle and here is the full recipe with the accurate measurements. You can take a screenshot and replicate it whenever you want to make yours. There are two ways you can use this brightening face toner. You can either spray it on a cotton wool or cotton pad and wipe your face with it, or you can just spray it on your face. If you watched this video till this point, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please make sure you give it a like, also drop a comment and subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on more amazing recipes like this. Bye, and see you in my next video.